For the rest of Chapter 11, we're going to learn how to solve one-step equations. So we're going to start with addition equations. And first is the commandment of algebra. Whatever thou shalt do unto one side of thine equation, thou shalt do unto the other. In English, you're going to do the same thing on both sides. To solve an equation, we do the opposite operation of what we see. So when I see addition, I'm going to subtract. When I see subtraction, I'm going to add. When I see multiplication, I will divide. And if I see division, I will multiply. So I've got some examples here to solve. And you must do these the way I show you. You must show me your work. This is not up for negotiation. If you do not show your work, you will get no credit for your assignment, and you will fail the test. Because on the test, each of these problems will be 2 or 3 points, and only one of them is for having the correct answer. The rest is for actually showing me your work. Now, h plus 24 is equal to 52. I want to know what h is equal to. In order to do that, I simply need to do the opposite of what I see. What I see is addition of 24. So I'm going to subtract 24 on the left side of this equation. That'll get h by itself, which is what I need. I need to have h equals so that I know what h is. But the commandment of algebra says if I do it on the left side, I have to do it on the right side. 24 minus 24 on the left side cancels out, and that's always what should happen. We want the letter by itself. H is now by itself. 52 minus 24 is 28. And that's how we solve an equation. H is 28. On the next equation, we have 10 equals 1.5 plus x. X needs to be alone, so this 1.5 has to go away. We subtract it to do that. But if I'm going to do that on the right side, I have to do it on the left side. Now, 10 minus 1.5. Don't forget to line your numbers up by their place values. The 1 in 1.5 goes under the 0 in 10, and we actually have to extend the 10 out so we can subtract. We have to borrow from the 1 to make... That was silly. I can't believe I just did that. We have to borrow from the 10 to make 0, 10 over here. 10 minus 5 is 5. Drop the decimal point. 9 minus 1 is 8. So 8.5 is equal to x. W plus 13 equals 25. I see addition, so I will subtract. I'm going to subtract 13 from each side. That'll get me W is equal to 12. 25 minus 13 is 12. Now, I'm going to show you one little thing. Some people, to help make sure they're doing the same thing on both sides, will draw a line straight down through the equal sign. Whatever you do on the right or left side, you must do to the other side. So here, to get d by itself, since it's plus 6, I'm going to subtract 6. If I do that on the right side of the line, I have to do it on the left side of the line. D will be alone on the right side now. And on the left, we just have to do 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is negative 4.